Hello, I'm Mr. Billam. I'm the Head of Geography at Benfield School. A-level geography is a facilitating subject, which means it's highly prized by universities and by the world of work. It is a study of the geography that you will have studied at GCSE, so physical geography and human geography, but then looking at it in an even more up-to-date manner. We also start to look at things in a more synoptic manner, so we look for the patterns across physical and human geography. You'll also be looking at more to do with political geography, so looking at how different political groups and countries work together to either solve global problems or sometimes even cause them. Some of our most recent contemporary case studies have been looking at the solving of malaria or the reduction of malaria in Africa. We also look at dealing with Ebola. Sometimes we address contemporary issues that might be quite challenging for students, but this enables you to go out and think critically into the world around you. And that is why it's so prized amongst universities. And those students who carry on with geography in later life are deemed to be having the highest levels of employment from university due to the wide range of skills that you pick up as you do geography. Some of those skills include essay writing, but they also include data analysis, undertaking your own field work, and also being able to look at issues, both identifying what those issues are, but then also beginning to solve them. When you get to the end of your A-level course, you'll be taking 3 exams. Those 3 exams are a mainly physical geography exam, a mainly human geography exam, and then a decision-making paper. The physical exam will be mainly focused upon coasts, tectonic hazards, but also the water cycle and carbon cycle, where you'll be looking at the impacts of climate change. We'll also then study human geography, and that will be your second exam. And the human geography will be looking at regenerating spaces, looking at how urban areas and rural areas change over time. We'll also look at how people in those areas begin to develop their world of work as well, looking at how people are rich or how people are poor within the United Kingdom. We then have our final part at the end of year 13, where we look at health, human rights and intervention. We'll look at those big global issues that are facing the world and how we can help the world's poor, how we can help the whole world to be more stable, to solve civil wars. Really looking at the most recent up-to-date case studies. And then in your third exam, you'll be presented with a new issue. That issue will be from information across the 3 subjects that you've been looking at. And then you'll be asked to make decisions about it, either how it can be solved or the challenges that might face it in the future. All of this together means that geography is a subject which not only is up-to-date and modern, is trying to get you to think about the world around you critically, but also prepares you with skills that you can either use to further study geography or in many other subjects. When you finish your geography course, you'll be equipped with skills to enable you to enter a variety of different professions. Those professions will include things like computing, because of your skills in data analysis. Also enabling you to go into the legal professions because of your ability to interpret information and be able to argue critically. As well as people going into worlds of tourist industries and working for non-governmental organisations in aid, and also furthering your experiences of geography by going into university to study geography or volcanology or marine biology as often areas that students go into. This means that geography is an area that is wide, but also really specific, enabling you to engage with the world around you, to be able to understand it, and to be able to solve those global problems. If you have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with me, Mr. Billam, or any other member of the Geography Department. Thank you.